What's up, everybody? Welcome to Maths with Casting. We are continuing with the maths basics, where now we are dealing with mixed fractions to see if we really understood the concept that we did on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch those videos so that you fully understand what we're doing, because here we are solely focusing on the combination of all those lessons that we also dished out previously. All right, great stuff. All right, so let's have a look at example number one here. What you have here, you have got x squared, and also we know what to do here. We have got x squared plus x q. All right, and then we've got q squared here. We need to change this multiplication, the division sign change to multiplication. Therefore, this fraction flips, the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. Right, great stuff. I hope you guys didn't forget this. Right, therefore, once you have got this, now what we can do, we need to check if there's anything that we can simplify. I see here we've got x squared, we've got x there. I think we can simplify that. We are going to remove x as a common factor. You are going to have x squared plus q, close bracket, all over q squared, and therefore it will also be multiplied by q all over x. All right, therefore, can you see that x and x would cancel out, q would cancel out with one q there, then you are left with one q. Therefore, what is left now is x plus q all over q. All right, think that's simple, straightforward, no confusion there. If you don't understand, please leave a comment on the comment section below. I will do my best to be able to assist you. All right, good stuff. So let's see here. We have got a subtraction fraction here. We have got in at the bottom there. Okay, now we know that if we deal with a plus or a minus and it's a fraction, we need to find the LCD, which is the lowest common denominator. In this case, we are referring to everything that is at the bottom. We already see that this p minus 6 here at the bottom, and then therefore 2 and 3, which number can go into 2 and 3, is going to be 6. All right, therefore what you would do, you would say everything divided by the LCD. Okay, there you go. Therefore you say 2x in brackets p minus 6 goes how many times here? Is gonna go 2 times. Therefore 2 times the numerator of p plus 2 minus, all right, therefore 3 goes how many times into 6? It goes 2 times. Therefore p minus x, and then p minus 6 is going to just be p minus 6. Therefore times the numerator, which is p plus 6. Right, great stuff. Okay, therefore you are going to come here. We need to remove the brackets, guys. Is going to be brackets. This is just 2 times p is going to give us 2p. Therefore 2 times 2 is going to give us plus 4. Therefore 2 times p is going to give us minus 2p, and therefore 2 times 6 is going to give us minus. Negative times a positive is going to give us a minus, is going to give us minus 12. All right, therefore this is all over our LCD there of 6 minus p minus 6. All right, so now we look for things that are like terms. I see I've got a positive 2p there and a minus 2p, and then also at the top here I've got 4 minus 12. Therefore 4 minus 12 is going to give us 4 minus 12 is going to give us negative 8. Therefore we're going to have 6p minus 6 in brackets close there. All right, okay, let me just double check myself here. Everything looks all right. Okay, I see we made a mistake here. All right, this is supposed to be 3. Okay, 2 goes how many times there? It goes 3. Okay, please make sure that you correct this, guys. Made a mistake here. I think you guys should go ahead. You will do the correction. Do the correction here. This is wrong. This is supposed to be 3, guys. Supposed to be 3. Please do the correction on this one. Okay, do the correction. Do the correction on this one, guys, to make sure that you get it right. But me, I've already made that mistake, so I'm just gonna simplify, going further here and say 2 goes how many times here? It goes 4 times, and therefore at the bottoms 2 would go 3 times. Even though I made a mistake, guys, but I managed to spot the mistake. The purpose of this is learning purposes, so that you practice to make everything perfect, and also to ensure that you learn from your mistake. For me to be able to spot my mistake here, I think it's a very good thing, so that we learn from it as well. Okay, nobody's perfect, guys, and also you can also make this mistake. That's why you need to make sure that you are sharp, 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 sharp. You are fully get it, and then it's very easy to make a mistake in mathematics. I am Gaston Mapala. I will definitely see you on the next upload, where I'm going to give you more examples of mixed fractions. What's up? Welcome to yet another one, mixed fractions maths basics, right here at Maths with Gaston, with me, Gaston Mapala. So today let's have a look at this example here. It's example number 3. It is saying that 1 over a minus b minus 1 over a. All right, so whenever we see a positive or a negative, what do? We look for an LCD. All right, what is the LCD? In this case, it's referring to everything that is at the bottom, a minus b. All right, good stuff. So therefore we're gonna say all over a minus b. So a minus b goes how many times a? It goes a, so it's going to be, say, a multiplied by the numerator, which is 1, minus a will goes how many times? Is going to go a minus b, so therefore 1, so 1 minus b, right? So therefore you need to simplify the top there, multiply out, remove the bracket. A times 1 is going to be a, therefore a minus b times 1 is going to be just okay, negative 1 times a is going to be negative a. Negative times negative here, in this case, guys, be careful of the negative. I'm saying it again. I'm sure I can't stress this even further. Say, guys, be careful of the negative. Negative times a negative gives you a positive b. All right, please guys, make sure that you fully understand what happens when you multiply a negative number by a negative number, and then what happens when you multiply a positive by a negative. I'm not showing it here. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, please make sure that you watch the video before this one, where we're doing example 1 and 2. I illustrated it perfectly there. Please make sure that you do follow that one as well. Okay, so I see like terms here, it's a minus a, so they would it's going to give us a minus a, they would cancel out. Therefore I'm left with b all over a in brackets a minus b. Okay, and that's how you would deal with an example like this one. Now let's move to example number 4. Example number 4 is the same, is also a minus as well. So what would you do there? You must look for what is known as an LCD, lowest common denominator. Is we're referring to everything that is at the bottom, which in this case is just going to be, going to be ab in brackets a plus b. All right, great stuff. So as we continue here, we are gonna come here and say all over a b, a plus b. Okay, a plus b, there you go. Therefore we're going to say ab goes how many times here? It goes a plus b, so it's a plus b from the LCD, multiply by this one here, that is at the numerator, a plus b. All right, okay, a plus b will go how many times here? Is going to go ab times the 2, which is this one here, that is at the numerator. There you go. Therefore we need to simplify this further. We need to remove the bracket. We're going to say a times a is going to give us a squared, a times b is going to give us a b, positive b times a, this one's here, is going to give us plus a b. If you don't know what we're doing, guys, please make sure that you watch our video when it comes to multiplying binomial. It will really assist you to understand what is happening here, because we need to remove the bracket. Okay, minus 2ab will remain as minus 2ab all over the LCD of ab plus ab. All right, So now the best thing to do here is to look for like terms here. I see I've got AB there, 2AB as well. I'm going to have A squared plus AB will give us 2AB plus B squared minus 2AB all over the LCD, which is AB, A plus B. There you go. Therefore, I see like terms here, AB, 2AB minus 2AB would cancel out. Therefore, what you're going to be left with, you're going to be left with A squared plus B squared all over the LCD AB, A plus B. Okay, there you go, guys. That's how you would deal with examples that requires you to apply the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. I am Gaston Bapala. I gave you examples. Please make sure that you watch them. Make sure that you subscribe and support this channel. It would really, really encourage me, and I know that it's reaching you guys out there. Please make sure that you reach out if you need me to assist you, and also share this video with people that really, really need it, with people that can it also assist, and it will also help our channel to grow as well. I am Gaston Mapala. Definitely I will see you in the next upload.